Hi everyone, I'm Shin from Toolworks, and today I'm going to show you how to identify the wires of a step motor. Then we can connect it to a step driver like this and make the motor move. We have a step motor here. It's a NEMA 17. It's a small step motor, most commonly used for 3D printers or small CNC machine or laser engraver. So usually a step motor like this will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6 wires together. Okay, so the circuit to like this. Okay, here's our motor. We have, usually we call it A plus, A minus, E plus, E minus. Okay, this is the case of 4 wires. If I have 6 wires, here is the middle one. So it's A common, E common. So first step, we need to identify which 3 of those belong to the same group. You can see from this diagram that those 3 are connected. So they have a resistance, but they're all connected. We can use a multimeter easily figure out which 3 belongs to the same group. You use a multimeter here. I just randomly pick one here. It's pink. Okay, and find out the other 2. Brown and black. Okay, so we have brown, black, and pink. So other 3 must be belong to another group. It's going to be white, yellow, and red. So, sorry, white, yellow, and red. Okay, so next step is going to identify the middle one, because by using this step driver, we don't need to connect the middle one in both of those groups. So let's find out the resistance between, amount of 3. Just turn my multimeter to 200 ohm range. So for the B group, I have yellow, red, and white. Between yellow and the red, the resistance is about 7. Between yellow and the white, it's about 3.5, 3.6. And the red and the white, about 4. It's going, let me see here, about 3.9. So we can easily identify that the white one is the middle one, because the white, between the white and the yellow is 3.9. White and red also around 3.9, but yellow and the red is about 7, right? So R, and R double. So white is going to be the middle one. Okay, so we have yellow identified. Which one is which? It doesn't matter, no. Which yellow is B plus or B minus, or red doesn't matter. So we have B group, we say yellow and red. Now for A group, let's see, by using a multimeter, between black and brown, 3.7. Black and pink, 3.7. So now we can tell, okay, between pink and brown is going to be about 7 probably. Yes, around 7. So identify the A group is brown and pink. Now we have identified 2 wires for each group, so we're going to use and connect them to our step driver. Let's do that. So on the step driver, you can see that we have these 4 connectors are connector motors. Let me show you in another view. Okay, So to motor, this is the power, right? 12 volt DC power, plus, minus. And we have two motor, A plus, A minus is going to be our brown and pink. And B plus, B minus is going to be our yellow and red. Let's connect it. A, brown, and pink. And yellow and red, 2B group. Yellow, the order doesn't matter. Red, check whether it's secure, and yellow. Okay, so now it's connected. And we do have a power supply here, so I just make a short wire, connect to our 12 volt DC power supply. And I'm going to connect it and show you. Here's my power supply. Here's my power. Okay. So ground to the brown one. And now we're going to connect to 12 volts to this step driver. Because this step driver, we do have a signal generator, which is S7. I turn the S7 on, the step driver itself will generate internal pulses and make the motor move. So we'll see that action here. All right, that means we have connected all the wires correctly and the motor start moving. Also, we have another adjuster, speed adjust here. I can make it move faster. Okay, if I move too fast, we'll stop because it's just not that much power to move the motor that fast. And we can turn it down and it'll move slower and slower. And on the step driver, we see that we can adjust the power by using the switches on the side. Okay, if we adjust the S5 and S6, it's going to be, if both of them on, it's going to be 0.5 amp. And probably little, no, it's not enough even for this type of motor. So for this motor, NEMA 17, we're going to use probably 1.8, 1.2 amp, which is switch 5 is going to be off and switch 6 is going to be on. But you can adjust it, so when it's running too hot, just lower it down a little bit. When it's not enough power, just to give more power by using those switches to set a different amperage. Okay, and I think that's it for today. And I'll show you to run some other type of step motors, like from the printer or from a scanner, and using the same method to identify the wire and try it with our step driver. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.